I've been waiting and anticipating till you even know what I really wanna do to you. Contemplating and relating, bodies associated. Ooh, falling and falling slow, falling and falling slow, falling and falling.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do some mini twists, but I'm gonna do them using some Chebe powder because I'm always looking at new ways to grow my hair and make sure my hair is moisturized, and I ran across Chebe powder on YouTube looking at like documentaries and stuff like that, and they just popped up. But anyways, I'm gonna post some videos down below in the description box so you can watch it, so you can get a better understanding of Chebe powder. The Chebe powder that I have is from Here Comes Cosmetics, and I actually think they have a YouTube channel, so I'm gonna link that down below. But I got mine from Etsy. So also, when I'm gonna use this Blue Magic, I'm doing it this way because it's easier for me, and I wanted to use things that I already had instead of running to the store and buying all this other stuff. Because I was like, I don't feel like going to the store. I feel like spending money. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how I mix this up and everything, and apply it on my hair for my mini twist. My hair is freshly washed. I did a pre-poo with aloe vera and just washed it out and used some shampoo afterwards. I didn't condition my hair. I didn't feel like it, and I didn't really have to condition as much once I did that good deep conditioning pre-poo, and it was on my hair overnight, so it penetrated my scalp pretty well. This is the Chebe once I get it out the pack. Trying to pull it down some, so when I cut it, it won't fall out everywhere. Okay, this is the bowl I'm mixing it in. I would prefer to use a glass bowl, but I don't have one. I just realized I don't have any glass bowls. That's weird, but okay, girl. All right, so I cut it just a little bit. I'm not gonna use much because with this, I believe, from what I can tell, a little goes a long way. That's about how much I'm gonna use. If I need, that's how much I'm gonna use. If I need more, it smells very earthy. But if I need more, I would definitely add more. The oils that I'm gonna use is a jojoba oil. I got it from the beauty supply store, and it's shea butter oil that I got from the beauty supply store as well. So I'm not gonna use much of each. I'm just gonna put, I think I'm gonna put like 6 drops. Might be more than 6, but you don't need much oil. I'm gonna add my jojoba oil to it. Gonna mix this up. I should have just used the regular bowl. I have to use just a little bit more. Okay, I'm just gonna use this little bowl instead. All right, so I'm done mixing, and this is how much I have. If I need some more, I'll just make some more. It's no big deal. So now I'm about to start on my twist and apply it. And other things that I do have is, of course, is my brush that I always use to detangle, my Blue Magic, and my aloe vera water that I'm going to use to help me detangle as well and to help lock in some moisture. I have a video on how I make this, so make sure you view it. I'm going to link it down below as well in the description. My hair is pretty much already separated into 4 parts because that's how I washed my hair, and my hair was like twisted up a little bit when I washed it. That was done on purpose because I didn't want to have to go through the process of detangling too much. Because I be trying to manipulate my hair as less as possible. I'm going to start on this side first. In the front. It's time for me to get my ends clipped. Okay, so first I'm gonna spray my hair with my aloe vera water to detangle. And then I'm going to add the Blue Magic. I'm gonna make this into 2 separate twists. Okay, I'm gonna add the Blue Magic. I'm just gonna add a little bit. Because Blue Magic works really well, as you saw in another video. Especially when I wet my hair with it. Then I'm gonna go in with my Chebe powder. I'm just gonna dip my finger in it a little. I almost picked up too much. I almost made mine a little bit too liquid. I'm just gonna smooth it in. It's getting under my nails, but that's okay. And I'm just gonna twist my hair. I think I'm gonna leave it up for about 2 weeks to see how much progress I make and go from there. It actually don't feel bad on my hair. I'll give it a nice little curl, but I think I'm making my twist too small. Yeah, that twist a little bit too small, but it's okay. Okay, like I said, you add your water, add your grease, and then add your Chebe powder. Make sure you rake it through really well and then twist. It's a little messy, but it's not too bad though. It smells earthy. So I think I'm gonna spray like some rose water on top of my hair when I'm done. But we gonna see. Make sure you get the ends. Yeah, I think I'm making my twist too small, y'all. It's gonna take me forever to finish doing it. So just, my hair has definitely grown since the last time I did a protective style. So that's good. That Yas hair care oil has been working wonders. Okay, so I got one section done. I'm gonna move on to the next one. So far, they're coming out pretty good. Okay, y'all, so I'm finally done with my hair. It came out really good. I'm really loving my twists. I'm gonna keep them up for hopefully like 2 weeks. So I'm gonna give you an update and see did my hair grow. I hope it does, because I put a lot of effort and time into this. So once again, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and tap that notification bell so you can know every time I upload a new video. Toodles.